All right, guys. Uh, all you'll need today are some shoes on and some upper body weights to challenge. We're only going to be using the weights for the upper body. Rev your engine. I've been looking a lot at Squat University and toes over knees guy. I think I said that right. And these exercises kind of come from them. So keep that in mind. We want to make the movements available to everyone. The depth of the movement is negotiable. The width of the feet are negotiable. So adjust as you need. Let's go. So start your heart rate monitor for me if you've got one. And let's just start like a nice easy march. Good. Need to tighten that heart rate monitor. You too? No, you're ready for me. You already have it on the right. Okay, here we go. Just march it out for me. Nice, easy does it. March it out. Kind of shake it out. There we go. Beautiful job. Nice, easy march. We're going to do this for a solid minute. Think about where do you feel like, some stiffness or some lack of mobility. Bring your focus there. So I've been hunched over already for the morning, so I kind of feel it in my lower back. So I'm going to lift my chest a little bit more, start engaging my core. Yeah, is it in the ankle, the knee, the hip? Kind of bring a little bit more movement to it, a little bit more purposeful. That's it. Nice job. Watch it out. Excellent. 1 minute right here. All right. Now our warm-up is going to kind of mimic some stuff that we are going to do during our strength training. So let's do some heel taps. So nice and down in front. How much you bend that knee, again, is up to you. How far you put that foot in front is also up to you. Right now, I just want some movement here. So flex that foot as you put that heel down on the ground. Bend that supporting leg. Try and keep it in line. Don't open it out. 1 minute, nice solid heel taps. And start moving those arms a little bit more. That's it. Solid minute here. Just warming up the body. Bend that knee a little bit more. Don't be too shy. I know I've been kind of warning you, saying be wary. Yeah, so bend that knee just a little bit more. Excellent. That's it. All right, tap to the side. So we're mimicking these movements. Now we're going to be doing some heel taps and some side to side toe taps. Move it out for me. Can you make this one a little bit bigger? 1 minute here. That's it. Tap it out. Suck the belly in. There you go. That's it. So bring those feet together in the center and then tap it out to the side, right? All right, one more movement. Guess where we're going? It's a toe tap behind. Let's go. Just kind of warming up the body, start mimicking those motions that we're going to take. Yeah. So what I want you to do is bend the knee of the supporting leg. Yes, bend that knee. So there's some engagement with the muscles. There's already some contraction going on. Body knows where we're going. Step it back. That's it. Beautiful. 30 more seconds for me. Can you reach it back a little bit? Some of us are very upright. I know we're being very cautious. Come down, step it back. You're only going to build strength as you bend that knee, right? Because that's when the muscles have to contract to support. Excellent job. Give me some chain breakers. Let's warm up that upper body. Solid minute. Now make sure those elbows are at shoulder height. The wrists are at shoulder height, and alternate which hand goes on top. Push the chest forward, squeeze the shoulder blades as you pull those elbows back. Imagine you're breaking that chain. Solid minute right here. That's it. Nice slow warm up, kind of just like focusing bit by bit. Are you feeling the heat build a little bit? Yeah, not too intense for a warm up. That's it. Nearly there. Keep those elbows up. Keep them up. Beautiful job. Shake it out. Roll those shoulders forward. Some nice dynamic stretching now. Roll those shoulders back. That's it. Good. Now give me like a little twist with the body. Loosening up that lower back, those hips. Oh, my lower back just cracked. Hi. Hi, lower back. That's it. All right. Let's go into a quad stretch, right leg. Just grab and hold for 1 split second. Keep the knees together. That's it. In and out of the move. Beautiful. Good. Take it all the way in front. Some hamstring. In and out of the move. If you want to do a sweep, you can. Don't fall over. FYI. That's it. Good. Step it all the way back. Calf stretch. Big step back. Big step back. Yes, we're going to mimic this in that strength training again. Good. Let's go to the left leg, quad. Bring the knees together. Try and not let that knee stay out at an angle. Hamstring. That's it. Beautiful. Step it back, calf. Nice big step. Come to standing. That's it. One more time. Good. Drive those hands up over the head. Thumbs back. Pull the hands behind the head. Hold it here. Now, moving the shoulders up into the ears and release. Up into the ears and release. Keep your hands straight. I don't want to see a diamond. Well, I mean, everybody wants to see a diamond, right? No, straight arms. That's it. Good job. Take it to shoulder height. Pull it back. Palms up. Thumbs up. Good. Around and release. Shake it out. All right. We're going to start with our cardio. Nice, easy cardio. We want just 2 minutes right here. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, nice, easy cardio. So what I want here is, instead of focusing on a knee up, I want like a hustle. A hustle is like a knee up, but the knees don't come really high because the legs and the arms are pumping quickly. Yeah, because it's only 2 minutes. I want you to push yourself. Get uncomfortable. Yeah, we stretch the boundaries of movement and what the body thinks it's capable of. Push yourself, come on. Come on, pump those arms. So I noticed that a lot of us are prehistoric, you know, T-Rex. Okay, come on. Down here, give me a little bit more pump. Yes, that's it. Come on. This is it. This is all we're doing for 2 minutes. Push yourself. All right. We're about at 1 minute mark. Right now we're at 1 minute. Let's go. Come on. Come on. 2 minutes is nothing. I know, until you're doing it right. Come on. Let's go. Pump those arms. Hey, hey. No T-Rex around here. Come on. Up and down. Get them down to the thighs. Up to the shoulder. That's it. Pump it. All right, we got like 30 seconds. Can you push? Get uncomfortable. Rev your engine, get into fifth gear. Where's your fifth? Where's your push? Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, tap it out. Catch your breath. 15 seconds. Take my glasses off, they're sliding down my nose. And I got a solid nose. You know when my glasses sliding down my nose is problems. Okay, leg track, no weights. Upper body weights. Make sure you got them nearby. I want to remind you, we're going to be stepping our foot. Yeah? How far you step can be adjusted. Okay? We're also going to be doing variations of a squat. How deep you go can be adjusted. All right, so let's start with the right leg. I'm going to go at an angle. We're going to be moving the right leg. I want you to sit into that left leg, and then I want you to tap it out front, come to standing. 10, 9, heel taps. 8, 7. Can you reach a little further? 6, 5. Can you sit a little bit more? 4. Push into that left leg. 3. Good job. 2. One more. 1. Down and hold it. Sit into it. Good job. Come up. Now to the side. Same right leg. Yep. Let's go. Sit into it. Bring the leg out. And in. So we start slow at the beginning. 10. That's 9. 8. Push it out. 7. I'm tapping that toe to the side. 6. Sinking into my left leg. 5. 4. 3. You'll notice your knee goes over your toe. That's what you want. 2. Yes. And 1. Down and hold it. Now, barely any weight on that leg. Everything's pushing it to the left. Good job. Come to standing. Same right leg moving. Now I'm going to turn to the side. I just want to show you. All right, we're going to come, and I want you to lean forward on that left leg. Notice how my knee is going past my ankle. All right. So let's come down, set it up, sit into it. Lean that knee forward, come to standing. That's 10. Now a little quicker. 9. 8. Balance. 7. Let that knee come forward. 6. How deep you go is up to you. 5. But try and get to the edge of your boundary. 4. Take your time with me. 3. That's it. 2. Feeling it in the hip, the glute. And 1. Now we come down and hold. Keep that back leg straight. Come down and hold. Lean forward on the leg. Excellent. Come to standing. Whew. Merry Christmas. All right, all we're moving is the left leg now, so now the right leg's going to take it, remember? So we start off, we hold the first one for like 3 to 5 seconds, okay? Let's go. Sink down into it. Heel tap. Find your balance. Now let's go. 10, 9, all the weight in the right leg. 8, heel tap. 7, how low can you go? 6, that's it. 5, beautiful. 4, oops, that was a little fast. 3, 2, we have 1 more. Now we do the down and hold for 10 seconds. Let's go, or thereabouts. Heel up, toe up, heel down. Bend that knee. Come to standing. Excellent. To the side. 3, 2, 1. Down and hold. Set it up. Watch where the knee is. It goes over and up. Let's go. 10, 9. My weights are in the way. 8, 7. Ain't gonna stop me. 6. Bend that knee. 5. Reach out to the side. 4, 3. Good job. Take your time with me. 2. And back. 1. We don't want to rush it. Down and hold 10 seconds. Tap that toe. Bend that right knee. Come to standing. Excellent. Adjust. Big step back. Down and hold for 3 seconds. Let that knee come forward. Let's go. Lean on it. So it's different to a lunge, right? Let's go. How is it different to a lunge? The back leg stays straight and that we're pushing that right knee forward. That's it. Come low, go wide. Your workout. Your low, your wide. We have, that was 6, 4 more. Good. Come to standing. It's okay if you wobble. Good job. Come on, 1 more. Down and hold for 10. Lean forward on that right leg. Push that right knee as far forward as you can handle. That's it. Done with the legs. Good. Short break, 15 seconds. Okay, option. If you need, you can have a chair nearby and you can use the chair to help you go deeper. Chair is an option. Broom, handle stick, something, yeah? You can use that. So if you need that, go get that now. Maybe you want to try and go a little deeper. All right? Are we ready? 15 seconds must be over. I didn't look at the clock, so that's all right. Pick up your weights for me, please. Legs hip width, bend the knees. Bicep curl, let's go. 10. Slow and controlled. 9. Hammer, lead with a thumb. 8. 7. 6. Come on. 5. You got this. 4. 3. 2. 1. Drive it all the way up now. 10. All the way down. Narrow overhead. 9. So bicep into narrow overhead. 8. Come on. 7. 6. Slow and controlled. 5. Chest up, belly in. 4. Oh, I just banged my head with the weight. Don't do that. Not a good thing. Not a good look either. 3. It's real life here, people. Nobody edits this video. 2. Same thing. This is our last one. We're adding on. All right. Take it all the way up. Open to a V. Back down. 1. Let's go. 2. Open to a V. 3. 4. 5. That's it. 6. Open. How deep a V can you get without hurting the elbow? This is 7. Control it. 8. 9. 1 more. 10. Good job. All right, just some tricep extensions. Lean it forward if you need to. Stagger the feet. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Get rid of the weights. We're done with upper body. 15-second break. Oh, I'm being really nice today, aren't I? All these little breaks. Okay. Ready? Some core work. Yeah? You're gonna get down Don't use your hands to get down. Onto your knees. I'd like everybody on their knees to begin and your elbows, so we'll have a position. Everybody on their knees and the elbows to begin. Let's go. We're going to do a hip dip. So I want you to roll. Drop the hip up and over. 10. Up and over. 9. Drop the hip. 8. 7. Stabilize those shoulders. This is 6. I know it might be easy now. That's okay. 5. We just want to feel how stable it can get. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Beautiful. Roll it over onto your right side. Go to your feet for me, please. Hold it here. Lift that hip as high as you can now. Squeeze those obliques. So a side hover. Good job. Don't drop the hips to the ground, but roll it over onto the left. Side hover on the left side. Now lift that hip as high as you can. Your legs can be stacked one on top of the other. If you want to be on your knee, you can, but that's why I'm pushing you. Let's go to the feet. You can have your feet staggered and release. Beautiful job. Push back onto your knees. Stand up without using your hands. Are you ready? 2 minutes, cardio. Let's go. This is it. This is it, remember? So it's a hustle, right? So like a mini high knee and a pumping of the arms. Okay, all the way up and down. So that hand reaches the shoulder and comes down to the thigh. Yeah? Let's go. So you can move your legs faster or your arms faster, whatever you would like to do, but you're moving both of them. Just 2 minutes. I'm slightly leaning forward, my belly is tucked in. My chest is lifted, so I'm not rounding the back. All right, we're at the 1 minute mark. You got 1 minute in you. Let's go. All right, let's focus on the arms this time. You ready? We have about 40 seconds. Pump, pump. Focus on the arms. Pump those arms. Can you get them faster? Come on. Just the arms. Focus on the arm. Keep the feet moving, but keep the focus on the arms. 5th gear. Come on. 10 seconds. Pump it. Rest. 15 seconds. Leg work. If you need a chair or the broom handle, get it. That'll allow you to go a little deeper in the move, but still be modified, still be supported. Those of us, again, with lower back, hip, knee, ankle, if it niggles, if it bothers, if every, now and then it goes, ow. Watch how far you put your feet. Watch how deep you go in the move. 15 seconds is over. Plant that. I'm going to move my weights because they're in the way. Plant that left foot down. Okay? We're not moving the left foot now. Let's go. Sit into it. Heel. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7. How low can you go? 6, safely. 5, 4, 3. Let that knee come forward. 2, 1 more. And now we're down and hold for 10. Let's go. All the way here. Come up to the side, down and hold. Tap that toe. And let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Tap that toe. Don't put any weight in the right leg. One more. Down and hold. Tap it on the side of the big toe. Come up. Take it back. It's not a lunge. Yes? This leg stays straight. Let's go. Down and hold. Lean forward on it. Come to standing. 10, 9. So you can see how the chair might help. 8. Yeah? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Down and hold. Keep that back leg straight. Lean forward on that left leg. Come to standing. Shake it out. Plant the right. Don't move it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come to standing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. One more. Down and hold. All the weight in the right leg. Come to standing. If you're losing that balance, grab a chair. Come to standing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Out and hold. All the weight in the right foot. Come to standing. Take it back. Keep the legs straight. Lean forward on the knee. Let's go. 10, 9. Push forward. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Lean forward on it. Let that knee come forward. Come to standing. 15-second break. So are you really wobbly? Then you know that chair might be there to support and help. Okay? It's not that the chair makes it easier. It's the chair makes it less likely that you will hurt yourself. Don't run away from it if you need it. You can also use like a broomstick, like I said, a shelf, anything. Anything you can put a little weight in. Grab your weights to me. Hammer curled. 10. Legs hip width. Bend the knees. Let's go. Slow and controlled. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now into no overhead press. Let's go narrow. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? Into a V. Take it down. Now, bicep, narrow overhead, V. 10, 9, 8. Notice I'm not moving. 7, 6. Come on. 5, 4. As wide as you can in that V. 1 more. Stand tall. Stagger or just tilt over. Elbows close to the back. Tricep extensions. 10, 9, 8, 7. Lift them as high as back as you can. Tuck the belly in. Back flat. Good job. Get rid of the weights. 15-second break. Don't put the weights there, Suzanne. They get in the way. Without using your hands. Down on your knees for me, please. Okay, this time, plank. So, hands on the ground. This time, on your toes, everyone. Ready? You're gonna just do that hip dip. Now, the hip's not gonna touch the floor, that's okay. You're just gonna roll. 10, 9. Focus on stabilizing the shoulders. 8, and dropping the hip. 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, up and over. 3, Pride Month, rainbows we're making with the butt. That's 2. Last one. Good. Drop to your knees. Okay, I want you to roll it over and straighten your top leg. Make sure your shoulder is on top of the wrist. Lift the hip. Roll into plank on your knees. To the other side, straighten the top leg. Make sure the shoulder is above the wrist. Lift the hip. Back into plank on your knees. Good, push back onto your knees. Stand it up. Okay. Are you ready? 2 minutes. Let's go. Now you know where we're going. Yes? And you know this is the 3rd time round. Okay? So, can you push a little bit more? Do you have a little bit more in you to give? Maybe you need to pull back. Maybe that last 2 minutes was just a little too much. Adjust your workout on how you feel. Okay? It's your workout. Come on. All I want is for you to move for the 2 minutes. Hustle. Now watch those arms. They're staying up here again. Okay? Welcome to prehistoric land. Let's go. No T-Rexes. Move those hands. Yeah? It's like the cherry on top for the heart. Yeah, these big muscles are sucking energy. And we move those arms to say, hey, here too. Yeah? Come on. All right, we're past the minute. Yeah, less than a minute to go. 40 seconds. Can you pump it out a little bit more? Maybe you just need to stay here. All right, I'm gonna ask everyone to give me fifth gear. You ready? In 3, 2, fifth gear. Fast, speed. Yeah, that's what fifth gear is known for. Let's go. Less than 10 seconds. Come on. Okay, so I miscounted. I saw something else, sorry. 3, 2, 15-second rest. Nice job. You got some water, drink it. Now I know, you have ads that tell you all about like Powerade and Gatorade. I shouldn't say this on YouTube, should I? Yeah, that's for like, if you're working out, like I would say not even an hour. I would say at least 3 hours plus. That's when you need that. All you need, proper diet and some water. That's it, okay? Are we ready? Legs. All the way into that right leg. With me. Down and hold. Bend that knee, sink into the right leg. Feel it out. Look down, check that knee. All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5. Stabilize. Don't wobble. If you're going so deep, don't wobble. 4, 3. Come with me. 2. Let that knee come forward. 1. All right, down and hold. 10 seconds. Look down at it. Yeah. One of the things that help is making sure that my legs are hip width apart, even in this position. Come up. To the side. 3, 2, 1. Down and hold. Set it up. All right, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. These are the hardest for me. Weakest inner outer thigh. That's okay. I feel where I need growth. Last one. Hold it out. Don't put any weight on that left toe. It's just there for balance. All the weight is on the right. And stand. Woo! Taking it back. Variation of the lunge, but that leg stays straight. Let's go down and hold. Set it up. Lean forward on it. Standing. It's 10, 9, 8. I'm using my hands to help me balance. 7. That's okay. 6. Leg stays straight in the back. 5. Come on. 4. Let that knee come forward. 1 more. Down and hold for 10. Try and hold it. Come to standing. Why? Shake it out. All the weight on the left. Don't move it. Right heel forward. Let's go. Take a look. Make sure that knee's coming forward. Legs are hip width. And stand. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What does this move mimic in real life? Something that elderly have a lot of trouble with. It's because of this. Down and hold. Stairs. Yeah, going downstairs. That's why your knees hurt you when you're doing this, right? It's not supported strength strong enough. And up. To the side. Set it up. Lean forward on it. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, one more. Down and hold. Stay with it. Wait here. Not hair. Hair. Stand. Take it back. I know. Down and hold. Legs straight. Lean forward on it. Come to standing. 10, 9. Remember what I told you about full flex of the joint? We're doing that here, right? So we have 5 more. Legs stay straight. Come on. Down and hold. This is it. This is it. Come to standing. White drink. Where are your weights? Pick them up. You know the routine. Hammer curls. Legs hip width, knees bent. Chest up. Chin away from the chest. Let's go. Two. Last one. In a narrow overhead. Control it. Elbows in. Two more. Did I miscount this one? One more. You're lucky. I'm giving you extra. All right, into the V. Let's go. V. As wide as you can, straight arms. If you need a small bend in the elbow, go for it. With me. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Halfway there. Come with me. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. Come on. We're done. We're done. We're done. Stand tall. 1 more time. God. Stagger, bend it over. Elbows close to the body. Extensions. Let's go. Good job. Stand it up. Get rid of the weights. 15-second break. Going into core. Ready? Back it up. Come down on your knees. Don't use your hands. Let's go. First hover. You pick knees or toes. It's a 1-minute hold. Let's go now. Now, Lift the mid back so it's the highest thing, and you're going to tuck your pelvis into your ribs. Mid back should be the highest point. 15 down, 45 to go. All right, flatten that back for me, please. 30 down, 30 to go. Right hand up. Square the hips. So look, my right hand is on the ground. I'm still in hover. My hips are squared. 45 down, 15 to go. Switch it out. Left hand. I'm still in hover. I'm not twisted. Come back to hover in 3, 2, back to hover. Walk it up into plank, 1 minute hold. Make the mid back the highest point. Tilt your pelvis into your ribs. Hold it. So your back is rounded. 15 down, 45 to go. Flatten the back for me, please. Lift the right leg. You're in plank, you're just lifted, so you plank on 3. Release, switch it out, lift the left leg, square those hips. Put the left leg down, just hold in plank for 10 seconds. We're not done yet. Come down into hover in 3, 2, 1. Roll onto your right side. Side hover. Knees or toes if you'd like. Lift that hip. 30-second hold. So by keeping it still, we're working the entire core. Hold it. We're going to rotate in 5, 4, 3, 2. Go to the other side. On your knees or your toes. Side hover. Left hand is down. Lift those hips. Try and get the hip the highest thing. 30-second hold. Your feet can be staggered. They can be stacked. Okay, you can be on your knees. 10 seconds. Release in 3, 2, 1. Down onto your knees. Push back, come to standing. Don't use your hands. Last 2 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Your last 2 minutes. Yeah? Come on. So today's class wasn't so cardio intensive because I didn't want you tired to try out those new legs, okay? Or I shouldn't say too tired, yeah? So we always kind of pull back a little bit when we try something new, but this video is going up on YouTube, and if you want to do it over and over again, you can. Options would be obviously to use weights during the legs. Another option would be to raise the standing leg, yeah, to stand on a stack of books or a block or a plate, you know, a plate that they'd use in the gym. By raising that non-moving leg, you can make it a little bit more challenging. So those are some options for you. 1 minute down, 1 to go. Pump it up, 5th gear for me. Hey T-Rex, get out of here. Come on, let's go. Pull those knees up in front. 40 seconds. Let's go, let's go. Come on. We have 20 seconds. Pump it. 10, Side tap, toe tap, heel tap, whatever you'd like to do. Cheers. That's about 45 seconds of work. Yeah, we had like a 5-minute warm-up. And now we're gonna have a little 5-minute cool down. When you're ready, come back to me. Let's start with that heel tap. Let the hands hang. Just kind of roll the body side to side. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. All right, to the side, alternating. And now kind of shake out the hands for me. Twist the body a little bit. Nice job. Proud of you. I hope you felt it. Yeah? Now, if later on, toe tap, take it back, you feel a little niggling, it just means that maybe you opened your legs a little too wide. Remember what your mother told you? And, or you went too deep in the move, okay? So it's not that you should avoid that exercise ever. It's that you might need to modify, get that chair, get the broomstick, use a shelf. Those are all things that are going to allow you to progress into the move, okay? All right, roll those shoulders up and back. Nice big rolls to me. Add the core, add the body. Now let's reverse it. Good job. That's it. All right, we're going to come down on the ground to stretch. Without using your hands, come down to your knees. Yes, remember, these are one of the things they can check for longevity and mobility. Okay, is the ability to get up and off the floor, down on the floor without any assistance. All right, on all fours for me, please. And let's do a nice little shoulder to hip twist. So hold it on the right side, and let's do it on the left. Shoulder to hip. It's almost like you wanted to pinch something with your body. Now let's alternate in and out of the move. Good job. One more time each side. Excellent. Let's stretch out the calf. Take that right leg all the way back for me, please. Stretch. Now, if you'd like to come down and lay down on the ground, forehead on the ground, you can. You know, it depends how you feel. For me, I feel more of a calf stretch when I keep my chest lifted, but it's entirely up to you. Now, that right leg is going to go straight out to the side. Let's stretch out that inner thigh. I want you to bring your butt back to your heel. Come as low as you can. Flex that right foot. I know you can't see it in the frame, but it's on the ground, okay? And the foot is completely flexed. Good job. Excellent. Switch it out. Left leg calf stretch. If you want to come all the way down, you can. Feel it out. Maybe it feels better on this side. For me, I feel more of a calf stretch on this side when I come down. Let's take it out to the side. Place the foot on the ground, bring the butt back. Excellent job. Come to all fours. Beautiful. Now, I want your knees together, feet apart, and I want you to kind of push back into a hero pose, rocking back and forth as deep as you can go. Yeah, by the way, your butt should be able to touch the floor here. Yeah, feet are open, so the butt's going between the feet. Good job. All right, feet together, knees open. Yep, cross your feet behind, roll it over, and roll all the way onto your back. Let's stretch out the back of the leg. First the right leg, nice hamstring stretch. If you can grab the toe, flex it and grab it. If not, holding onto your calf is just fine. Beautiful. Half baby pose. You're going to grab the inside of your arch and you're going to pull that right knee down to the ground. If you can. If you can't get to the ground, that's okay. Just make sure your flat of your foot is parallel to the roof. Beautiful job. Cross it over, thread the needle, outer glute. Yeah, we did a lot of hip work, so we're stretching it all out. Good job. Excellent. That's it. Release, shake it out. Let's
go to the left leg, hamstring stretch, leg nice and straight. If you can flex that foot and grab the toe, do that. If not, holding onto that calf is just fine. Grab the inside of your arch, bend your knee, bring that knee out to the side, flex that foot, half baby pose, really opening up that hip. Good, that groin. Crossing it over, let's thread the needle, outer glute, glute. Nice, release, grab behind both your knees, and I want you to kind of massage the back. Give yourself like a little roll, yeah? How big a roll you do is up to you. You can go left and right as well. You can kind of rock it to the side, just massage that back. And when you're ready, roll yourself up into seated. Maybe you need to give it a few tries to get up there. Nice. Nice easy cross leg for me, please. Pull the flesh from the seated bones and sit on those nice little pelvic bones back there. Roll the shoulders, stretch out the biceps. A lot of shoulder work today as well. Yeah? What did we do? Like 30 biceps in each round? We did 3 rounds, that's 90. Yeah, good job. Proud of you. Excellent. Good. Stretch out the shoulder. And we are done. Nice. I feel like my neck needs some help. Maybe it was a hint that I got from Portia earlier. Stretch it out. Excellent. Shake it out for me right here. Nice big inhale. And exhale. Nice and slow. Big inhale. Lift the chest. Exhale. This inhale, think of all the good that's available to you today. There is enough to go around for everybody to have a great day. Thank you very much. Thank you for working out with me. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks, Toes Over Knees guy. Yeah, that's his name, Toes Over Knees guy. Awesome.